Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how you can help another wholesaler find a buyer for their deal. For a deal, you didn't have to go find the seller and negotiate all that. You basically just need to find a buyer. So let's dive right in and let's see if we can help you get your first deal from learning this strategy. Let's go. Before we dive into this video, let me talk to you guys about my free Facebook group. It's called Painless Flipping, P-A-Y-N-E, Painless Flipping. Just go to Facebook, join it. It's a free community. We got free resources. We want to help you succeed, and we want to help you network with other investors in your market around the United States. So it doesn't matter where you're at. I'm sure there's someone in there that you can network with and meet up. So guys, let's talk about this video. What I do a lot, if you're new to this industry, basically I do what's called JVing, and that's helping another wholesaler that has a deal under contract find a buyer. Now, what does this look like? Well, basically, you would look at deals that other wholesalers have, and you'd say, I think I have some buyers that would be interested, or hey, this is a good deal. Let me bring it to some people that I know that would want to buy it. Then you bring the deal back to the wholesaler, and you say, hey, I have a buyer. We can either split this, the assignment fee 50-50 above what you have it under contract for. I can add my fee on top. Doesn't matter. You can negotiate anything you want, and then if the wholesaler accepts it, then you just write up some paperwork, or they just pay you. Depends what you want to do, if you trust them or not. And you don't always have to do paperwork. I don't do paperwork a lot with other wholesalers. They just pay me because we've done several deals together. So what does the conversation look like? I'm about to show you right here in a video where I recorded myself talking to another wholesaler. She had a deal in Provo, Utah, where she needed help finding a buyer. She had somebody, and I navigated that conversation, talking with her about what we can do. Is it worth my time? What's the situation? This is how you talk with a wholesaler. You're just open and transparent, and you try to find out what's going on. So let's dive into this call and see what you can learn from it and how you can negotiate and navigate the situation with wholesalers when you're trying to bring buyers to their deals. Let's dive in. Hey, Amber, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing really good. So I wanted to get back to you. I have a buyer that's running their numbers, and they're going to get back to me, and we're just waiting. You said that you already have someone that's committed and they can close Monday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, if we can close sooner or have something that's super concrete, like the night.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm just like,
What
I feel bad for the seller in this situation. I don't want to drag them along and I want it to close,
Of course, yeah. So I'm curious, just because I obviously don't want to bring you an offer that's not better than the one you have, or it wouldn't make sense to work with me. What price are they doing? So obviously I know, I got to do better or whatever.
They're at 350.
Okay, so they're at 350. So you have it at 335. Is that right?
Yeah.
So that's a 25K assignment fee, right?
So we have it at 335, so it's 15.
Oh, sorry, I did my math wrong.
Yeah,
15.
And,
yes.
yeah, and then I have like a partner in it, so we're just splitting it.
Okay.
We kind of tag teamed this one.
Okay.
So yeah, we're just splitting the assignment fee.
Okay, so if I brought a buyer, I would obviously have to come in higher than 350, right, in order for it to make sense?
Yeah, or at, if they could close sooner. But
okay.
Yeah, they could come in a little higher than 350. And then if you wanted to add whatever, like if you wanted to take a bird dog fee or whatever,
Gotcha.
You could add that on.
Yeah. Okay.
But I think the numbers are there, honestly. Like, it's close. It's close to like a 70 cent. I think that the ARV could push, like there's comps that support like high fives,
right,
even 6, but this one is on a main road. It's not a busy main road, but it is a more main road than like the comps are on.
So my buyers, every buyer's going to try and beat you up, and a lot of them are like, oh, I just don't see the comp at 570. So it just really depends who's looking.
Totally.
My buyer,
and I get it because I'm conservative. Like when I look for myself,
of course, especially in Provo right now because the prices have kind of changed a lot recently.
Yeah, totally.
So I'll let you know. I should let you know by the end of the day. They're just waiting, and if I can't do it, then obviously I'm at 350. Yeah, go with that. That's great.
Yeah, just let me know, and then if it doesn't work out this time, it's good to just have this relationship.
Of course.
We always are bringing in deals. So I probably really should buckle down and invest and build out my buyers list and have this whole operation. But like, I kind of like having my deals.
It's good for you. Yeah, I totally get that.
It's worth it. Like for me, it's honestly worth it.
Yeah, it's something you don't have to even think
extra.
about. You know, you don't even have to worry about it. Well,
exactly. When I have so much going on, it's just like, oh, it's kind of nice to know that somebody else is like assigning it.
I totally get it. Yeah, that's kind of how I felt when I was new. I was like, this is great, but then eventually, you know, you move on. But yeah, I'm kind of do the same thing. I have a giant list. I don't really blast out deals. I just reach out to my key top buyers and you know, kind of get their feedback. So I've reached out, I've got some feedback on some that just aren't interested or the numbers don't make sense, but I'm waiting on one. So yeah, I will keep you posted, and if this one doesn't work, yeah, let's many more. Anything you send me, I can at least get you an offer on or tell you yes or no.
Okay, that sounds great.
Cool. All right. Well, I will. All right, Amber. Appreciate it. I'll get back to you as soon as I hear back.
All right. Thanks, Nathan.
Yep. Bye. That's a wholesaler that sent me a deal, and I've sent it to one of my buyers. See if we can get a deal done. They're running their numbers right now, so let's see if we can get a deal done. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more info like this.